Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 must-have kitchen gadgets that will make your life easier and Gadget 10. Oil-proof stove cover. This is a must-have for any kitchen, whether you cook with oil or not. The oil-proof stove cover will protect your stovetop from spills and splatters, making it easier to clean. Gadget 9. Magic sponge. This sponge is made from a special material that can absorb and remove grease and grime easily. It's perfect for cleaning dishes, cookware, and even your stovetop. Gadget 8. Multi-purpose dish drainer. This dish drainer is more than just a place to dry your dishes. It can also be used as a cutting board, a serving tray, or even a vegetable steamer. It's a great way to save space in your kitchen. Gadget 7. Rotating knife rack. This knife rack is a great way to keep your knives organized and sharp. The rotating design makes it easy to reach any knife, and the built-in sharpener will keep your knives in top condition. Gadget 6. Egg bowl and plate grabber. These two gadgets are perfect for making breakfast easier. The egg bowl will keep your eggs from rolling around, and the plate grabber will make it easy to pick up hot plates without burning yourself. Gadget 5. High-quality cutting board. A good cutting board is essential for any kitchen. This cutting board is made from a durable material that won't warp or crack. It's also easy to clean and maintain. Gadget 4. Hot pot holder. This hot pot holder is perfect for protecting your hands from hot pots and pans. Gadget 3. Oil-absorbing pads. These oil-absorbing pads are a great way to keep your oven and stovetop clean. They're easy to use and can be reused multiple times. Gadget 2. Pullout trash can. This pullout trash can is a great way to keep your kitchen organized. It's easy to access and it won't take up any valuable counter space. Gadget 1. Replacement pot lid. If you have a broken pot lid, this replacement lid is a great option. It's made from a durable material that will last for years.
Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Bestbuy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.